Oh no, y'all. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and break this down. A trade I took today. Um, I did nothing special. I just marked the highs, previous highs. I'm gonna check out the sessions. I got the sessions indicator. It shows the previous, New York high. I seen that it swept liquidity, being that this is the last session New York high and London came in that day, swept the liquidity and closed below um the high, which is a high indication of a reversal. So this is right here is 8 a.m. I'll break this down to the 30 minute. So this is 8:30 a.m. This is the open. Came up, swept, closed below. Price melted as it should, and sweep these previous lows. Now I was not awake during this time. I might have woke up at like 10 a.m. So I woke up seeing, I literally woke up right after the sweep. So just nothing left for me to do but to basically wait until the afternoon. That's like my rule. I just wait till the afternoon and trade in the opposite direction of where price is trending after the afternoon. So after the afternoon right here is 12 p.m. Trade it up, go down to the 15 minute. Take out these session candles. Take out this not session candles, but um fair value gap indicator I got. Oh, but go down to the 5 minute. So this is what I was looking at. I was looking at price making let me go this swing low down here. Let me get the draw tool though so you guys get a better this swing low right here. I was so this is 12 p.m. So I'm waiting till after 1 p.m. to really, see what the market doing. So around this time is 1 p.m. It's still making highs. Um, it got all the way back up to this point, and this was the previous low, um, which is also could be a level of resistance coming back into this, which was previous support. Um, Going back down to the lower time frames to see if I can find like a change of character. So I'm looking at these candles it's getting weak up to this point. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute to get a little bit more detail. And this is what I found. I seen this right here. I'm like, price, this is the low, right? When technically, no, this is the low I went off of right here. Let me mark this out. Boom. That was the low I went off of. I'm like, okay, it closed below. So I'm waiting for like a pullback back into a fair value gap. You get a rectangle so I could illustrate this one, two, three candles from this point to this point. Didn't exactly get it, but it started melting. And I just made the decision to go ahead and just get into the trade right then and there. So got into the position right there and I just wrote it down, 2 units, ended up cashing $725. On my P&L, I think it says 600. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna go to my Tradify and show you guys. Tradify, Tradify.co. Uh, see, Tradify, go to my account. And let's see, go to the overview, try to sync this up, give it 5 seconds. Yeah, it was 681 yesterday. Now it's the ninth, but this I took this out of session in London last night. Ended up failing, breaking my rule. But ended up making it in New York, so it balanced out 70, profit. And I just banged out another trade that was like 200 something dollars, 250 something dollars, trying to see if it populate. It hasn't, but I made $681 on that trade just now, and that's the setup that I took right there. Clean, easy, just targeted the next low that was right there. Got out, wasn't greedy, and I let that be that. So that was the trade for today. And I could have been wrong. I might have targeted down to this level as I remember. Yeah, it was down to this level. So I was throughout all this chop, stayed down right there. So price broke. I remember breaking this low right here. And then I was like, yeah, I'm getting out right there. And then it kept melting, but I was out by that time. So, and I wonder if this chart will show like my entries and try to go to the settings and see if it could show my entries, status line, trading, show rejection notifications, buy and sell buttons, um, orders and executions. Let's try. Yeah, I don't know. It's not showing, but that's the trade I took for today. Um, and I'm gonna screenshot it. I think I put it in Discord. Yeah, right there, close 725. So it's the proof right there. And this is on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I think I'm getting yesterday's trade mixed up with today's trade, guys. But let's see. This was the ninth, 224. This is the trade I took today. Maybe it was just this right here. So let me try to see if that matches with the because I wasn't in that trade long. I was in that trade for like 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Let me see. So I got in around 7379. 7379, 7379. That's why I got in. Let me see if I could see my stop loss. 7389. My stop loss was up there. Okay. 7389. And guys, I'm tired. I really don't even want to do this breakdown, but I'm just doing it for documentation purposes. 7389. Let's see, let me go to the trading view. Stop loss. 7389. And my target, where did I get out? Around like 7360, let's say. Actually, Tradify might show me the exact trade log, exit price. And yeah, 736550. I'll just copy this, put it in right there. Oh, 73. Uh, Tradify 736550, 7365. Oh, that's it. Yep, that was the trade right there. That was the trade I took. So in and out. That was literally right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. I was in that trade. $625. So yeah, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm tired. I just want to document this real quick. Get up in New York. Session is 12:06 a.m. Wake up 5:45, 6 in the morning. Breakfast, workout, stuff like that. Get my day going, and then go into the New York session. But most of my trades have been in the afternoon, 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock window. So we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. And tomorrow's CPI, so I may not even be trading at all. So that's it for the day, guys.